For Muslims, Ramadan is not just a month, it is a complete way of life.
It begins before sunrise.
Muslim men wake up for prayer. They make a clear intention to fast.
From dawn until sunset, they do not eat or drink.
But Ramadan is not about hunger alone. It is about discipline and self-control. Muslim behavior becomes more respectful. I appreciate your understanding. Thank you. They stay connected to prayer and faith. And this is only the beginning. Ramadan teaches Muslims why they fast. Fasting builds discipline. It trains the body to obey the mind, and the mind to obey faith. Muslims fast to grow closer to God. It reminds them that faith comes before comfort. Ramadan also strengthens brotherhood. Rich or poor, all fast together. But fasting is only part of Ramadan. Ramadan is the month when worship increases. Muslims spend more time in prayer. They return to the Quran. Ramadan cleanses the soul, and it prepares Muslims for something greater. Ramadan is not just about hunger. It is about self-control. It is about self-control. Controlling anger. Avoiding bad habits. Ramadan reshapes behavior. But its impact goes beyond the individual. So what does Ramadan truly teach? It teaches discipline, empathy for the hungry, gratitude for everyday blessings. It reconnects people with God. Ramadan shapes better human beings. Because Ramadan is about becoming better.